Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean a couch, or do you say sofa, using a Bissell carpet cleaning machine. The Bissell carpet cleaning machine is really easy to use, but we're going to give you a quick little primer in the whole thing. This is the dirty water tank. So as you're using the carpet machine, and I'll demonstrate how to use it, the dirty water is going to go in here, and then you're going to dump that out. At the bottom, this is the clean water tank where you're going to add the clean hot tap water and solution to actually do the cleaning of the carpeting. This cap comes off, and what's unique about this unit is you can take it over to the sink and you can put it underneath the faucet to fill it up and then put it back in there. And there's a measuring cup right here that you can put the solution, the cleaning solution, into, and then you just carefully pour it into the tank, seal it back up, and then go ahead and put that reservoir tank on the top of it, lock it in place. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. This is the cleaning tool attachment for the Bissell rug cleaning machine. You're going to use this tool for either cleaning upholstery or using it on stairs to clean those as well, and also other hard to reach areas. It's really quite simple to connect. See, there's two parts of it on this. This is the suction hose right here that's going to clip into the top of the dirty well tank, and you're going to basically just rotate this in. You kind of turn it and you'll feel it click in place like that. And then this is for the solution. It goes right into this port right here. Same thing, you kind of line that up until you feel it click into place. And now you're ready to go to use this tool, and you'll turn the machine on when we're ready to do that cleaning. So on this unit, remember the switch is on the back. You just have to hit the switch and then the wand is activated. Okay, this wand is basically like the end of any vacuum cleaner, but it's a powerful suction here. This brush is a little stiffer that will allow you to, if you needed to do a little scrubbing on the fabric, you could. And then this switch is what's going to apply the cleaning solution. It puts out a fair amount of solution, so just be mindful. You're probably going to drip a little bit on the floor. You may want to put a drop cloth, or if you've got carpeting, you can just extract that area up with this as well. And when you're done, after you apply the solution and you draw the wand towards you, you may want to go back over it again without pulling the trigger to extract more of that liquid so that the couch dries more quickly. And you can do a little scrubbing with this. Don't be super aggressive because you don't want to damage the material. It's also a good idea to test in an inconspicuous area, maybe behind the couch or on the side, to make sure that it doesn't damage it. This couch has loose pillows, and so you can use this wand on the loose pillows as well. You just kind of have to firmly hold it and work your way all the way around on all the sides to get it as clean as possible. Okay, here's a tip when it comes to cleaning your couch or your sofa. It's dirtier than you think. If you've got kids, you're just living in your house. If you have pets that are hanging out on this couch, even though you may look at it and it's not dirty, once you go at it with this cleaning tool on the end of the Bissell carpet cleaning machine, you're going to be amazed. Coming up next, my video on how to clean an area rug using a Bissell carpet cleaning machine.